I guess.
Costs £495 from Collective Bikes, and I'll leave the link in the description. Rim for fat bars, 35mm clamp size and 20mm rise. You can get these bars from Chain Reaction Cycles for about £55. They come in black. You can get 10mm rise, 20mm rise, 30mm rise and 40mm rise. I just like these bars because they're light, they're wide, and they're just really good for wheeling. The next thing we have here is the stem. I've got a Hasselfeld stem, which you can also get from Chain Reaction Cycles for about £25, I think. I like this stem because there's no length on it, but the stock C100 stem is really long, so like you have to be reaching really far. But this one is really short, so you haven't really got to reach, and you can just pull up easily. So I've changed it to the Shimano Slx. You can get this brake from Chain Reaction Cycles for about £65, and you can get £10 off on your first buy. And I also like this brake because you can change it in depending on how you like it. So if you twist it in, the brake goes out more, and if you twist it the other way, it comes in more. So another thing I changed was the grips. I was using the stock C100 grips for quite a while, and they were really good, but after a while they just get worn off and all the grip goes. So I bought some ODIs. You can get these for about £10 to £12 off Chain Reaction Cycles. You can get the longer ones or the shorter ones, and yeah, they're just really grippy and really nice for wheeling. It's a 29 inch. I really like these tyres because they have no tread on it, as you can see, and they're just really nice for swerves and just wheeling and just going through traffic and stuff like that. Another thing I changed on my bike was the seat, because the standard C100 seat is just a normal mountain bike seat. It's really not comfortable for wheeling. So I got this black Mafia bikes seat, which you can get for £20 off the Mafia bikes website. It's really comfy and just really nice for wheeling in general. Shape of it, but the parts on it are not so good. I recommend changing the brake, the bars and the stems. The stem's very long. The tyres are good and the grips are good for quite a while, but you have to change them. So yeah. So if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you soon.